Alright, so in this video I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how to fire custom effects bundles through incidents. So we will add in a new incident table. Doesn't even matter what's in it, I just need to get it in here. Rename to early satisfaction because, oh shit, I'm doing this in my Guangxi event pack. This should be in the satisfaction one, but damn it, yeah, I'm just so over separating all these packs, so I think I'll just leave this in here because, you know, laziness. So what do we want to do? Basically, we need a very simple starting setup here. Paste this in. I want to make this unique as well, so I'll just go to another one where I know I have unique, take the row, paste it into here, and we're going to name this 3K. Should I name it custom? I probably should be doing that. Actually, I feel like they need, I think this is just superstitious, but I feel like you need to have that main there for absolutely no reason, but that's probably completely superstition. Var chance, we're going to weight this pretty heavy. First round 0, last round 10, just to make sure that this is only in the beginning of the game. It's unique, so that means it's only going to happen once, and we don't even need to target a character. I'm gonna go, yeah, this should really be in my other pack. I might just port this over. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna put this into this pack. Incident options plague. Leave that alone. Add a file, any old file, dilemma, incidents, while I'm blind. Okay, so just try another one of my random folders full of random files. Rename this to early satisfaction. Delete all this. Take that and put it into here. So the reason that we're doing that is because this is, you're targeting, wait, hold on. What the fuck? Gen condition self. I don't even know if you need, I don't know if I would need this for how the way that we're going to set this event up, because it's going to target everyone, but I guess you, I don't know, vanilla had this set up for a plague event, and that's what we're building this off of. So basically there's very few conditions. It's unique, which means it's only going to happen once. I guess we've targeted ourselves twice, which we don't need. We don't need to target a character. We've got a very high variable chance. Throw another 5 in there, just get it up there. And I just thought of something else. Sorry, I'm gonna get a little sidetracked here. Var chance 1. We're gonna turn this down. First round, last round 5. Because I'm gonna buff Zhonglu in a different way, but this has been bothering me and I wanted to get rid of this event. So what was I saying? Well, I need to generate some new IDs for this before I leave this table, otherwise I will forget. So, what did we leave off on this last pack? We just worked on this. We left off here. So I'm taking this over to something I wrote in Java. And we need about, what, seven rows? God, I hope it's 7. 6. I've been getting really lucky with these. I was generating like 20 and I needed 20. Like, I don't know, I was on a hot streak earlier today. So we've got our incident payload or options set up, and now we need to set up the payload. So we're going to put this in Plague, and we're going to clone this because it has the right setup for what we need. We need to give it a new ID. It's going to be that to effect bundle. So main payload, faction locust plague, and we need to rename this to early satisfaction. Duration, we're going to do the first year of the game because I play 8 turns, and all factions is a cool little thing going on in here. So that is our the effect that will happen. So now for the more complicated parts, we need to make, this is an effect bundle, so we need to go into effect bundles, and we need to clone and append. But what we should really do to just make sure that we're doing this right is take this effect bundle, go into our database, search for it, make sure you don't have that typed in there, and yeah, so it targets faction and it's negative. So it's almost better to take, when you're building these custom ones, to take a vanilla one that you know works. That doesn't make sense. Is that the wrong table? Effect bundles table. What are we in? What? Wait, what? Oh, this is the incident payload. Yeah, whoops, I thought I was in here. None of this matters, really. UI icon. This is supposed to be positive. Strategic threat, hopefully that'll light up green, and we're targeting a faction, which is important for this one. If we go back over to the database, we'll see where else this is used. We already know it's in a payload, so we're going to come into effect data bundles, effect junctions, copy it out, and actually, you know what? This is interesting. I'm going to try this. We're going to do this in 2 different places, but I'm going to try to do the opposite of what I did here, and nobody will care about not having a good job for a while. Is a whole year enough? Because I could make this event spread out over like the first 20 turns, so that way you don't have that desires higher court position penalty for as in the early game. But then again, nobody's really even that high level, so we're just going to leave this on here like that, and then we have to come over to loyalty factors. Ooh. Actually, here, we just clone and append this. Already done this. This affects satisfaction bonus fame. Faction to character own unseen is the scopes. Because we're targeting a faction, we need to have the effect scope be faction to character. Is this... You would think this would need faction wide. However, this does work because I've done these events before. I'm confusing myself. So what I can do is I can check if the key that I'm thinking I need even exists. So we'll go into database. And what I'm thinking I need is faction to character on faction wide, and we'll see if this is even a key. What? Well, that makes even less sense that it's on a fucking building. Yeah, so I am thinking that this needs to happen. That's so weird. How did I... Okay, I guess I'm going to just go out on a limb here and do all these over. But I know this one works. Like, I've tested this. This definitely works. So... Shit. I guess I should have checked the happiness before this triggered. So we'll probably... We're going to make this 55 on the first test. Just to test if this is even working, because that'll be an obvious number to look for. So we've made this bundle, and we've given it its effects. Oh, and yeah, this is bonus fame. Which is not... Yeah, we're going to have to make a custom effect here. Which it looks like I already made one. Jesus, taking a lot of gambles on this. Oh shit. I'll just make a whole new one. Attribute bonus, early start. So that's going to be our effect. We need to put this into here. And then we need to make this effect. Why did I not just clone this? Okay, and now what you need to do is go into UI. That's... Nope. That's not right. Did I not make a brand new effect in here? I made an effect bundle, which is cool, but I also need... Oh, God. Okay, so we gotta pull up the data.pack. Gotta go down to UI. Nope. I'm sorry. Local EN is what we need. Get that English. Effect. And I probably had this in one of these folders, but I don't remember, so... Normally... Let me think here. Normally I would like be cloning an effect and taking it from the database. So why don't I look for this one in here? Why don't I do myself a favor and do it in the pack that I'm working on? Doesn't matter. I just gotta find it. So we'll take this, copy it, go back to the pack that we're working on. Delete all these out, add this, put her in here, go to the effect, take the key, overwrite this one, and then I feel like I frequently misspell satisfaction. So we've got that to display now. And then we need to do the same thing for the effect bundle. Effect bundle. Okay. I think that's everything we need. Did I do an incident? I don't think I did the incident for this. The actual table. Oh boy. So it's easier to do this in smaller steps. Like maybe just getting it to fire first and then adding the effects into it. But we're going the really crazy way. So economy. God, now I need to go look up all of our options and incidents here. Battle good, bulletin board maybe, objectives complete, giving jobs. Oh man, I don't know, we'll just go with army good. I've actually never seen this one, or I haven't paid attention to it. I'm sure I've seen it, but I haven't, whatever. So we're going to throw that in there. This will be misc, I suppose that's good. And we're going to test this out. Although I feel like I did this in a very long, crazy way. Hopefully this works. Probably start a new campaign. The problem with doing it all at once is if you mess something up, it gets really hard to figure out like where you fucked it up. Instead of just taking it in smaller strides. Let's see. Oh, I never gave it any text. That's weird. Okay, all of that's fucked up, honestly, or actually. So we didn't get the effect, and we didn't come up with any incident text, which I totally understand. But that's concerning that we didn't get the effect. So 3K main custom early satisfaction. Is that not what I named this? Okay. Oh, look at this. See, your IDs are the same. So that's why that didn't happen. And what we have to do is write some text for this. Oh, God, I don't even know. Once again, absolutely horrible at writing flavor text. Just want to make these things happen from a game design standpoint and mechanics. So we'll just call this intent and ambition. I don't know what the fuck to call this, dude. Cause like it's like the idea that like it's a new era, things are exciting. I don't know, maybe consensus and ambition? Consensus and ambition. I like that. Okay, consensus and ambition. New beginnings. New beginnings are taking place as China begins to enter a new era. All men of talent are eager. Pledge loyalty to their leaders and affect change. Okay, something along those lines. Once again, if you're some kind of writer or something, help a brother out and rewrite some of these text lines. That would be awesome. I like that picture though. That was the right call. That was definitely the right call in that photo. I'm concerned that this making our own mini effect might not work. We didn't put a max value, which is also, I don't know what the fuck that's about. It's amazing how less that Chinese advisor annoys me than the English one. Okay, well, why didn't we get... Oh, wait. Oh, we did get the effect bundle. I'm just blind. I didn't... Okay. Plus 55% satisfaction? What? I don't even know if that's a thing. What is... Okay. Oh, okay. Alright, so we've messed up some UI things. But it is working. It's weird that we messed up so many, though. So we don't need a percent. Effect bundles didn't... So this is definitely the right one, but I think I edited the description. God damn it. So let's try turning this down before we forget. I think we need plus 55 satisfaction. I don't know, I'm going to play around with this number. I think I'm going to do 10 to start. Because I've done a lot of things that make satisfaction and things harder, but I don't want it to be on turn like 1 through, well, I guess 8, or the early game when you can't really do anything. don't want any anomalies where like Zhang Fei just takes off and leaves Liu Bei on turn 2 and all that kind of stuff. I want to avoid that.
黄金众人跨州联军高举大旗，忠于汉地的将军们立即作出回应，出兵镇压黄巾军。
Alright, beautiful. That one thing doesn't have an effect, that desires higher court position thing. So that's why you're seeing that little double symbol. So what I would need to do for that, and I think because I'm somewhat of a perfectionist sometimes, I don't like leaving that kind of shit about, we're going to have to add an effect for this. We're just going to write lowered desire for higher office.
则怀忠，魏则怀乱。不治民，则民怨怒；民怨怒，则必生乱。主公御下，必先弹压乱贼，以警不臣之心，方可治之。胜败无常，生死难知。今国乱岁凶，四方扰攘，唯强者可立于世。此方诸侯智略不足，又无强援，今已湮灭，碾为尘埃。但若说凤凰浴火，也是未可。
Well, we definitely just loaded the wrong save, so that was a waste of like, I don't know, 2 minutes, minute. My bad.
一扫宇内，
天下混乱不已。大汉王朝早已被腐败吞噬，黄巾众人跨州联军高举大旗，忠于汉地的将军们立即作出回应，出兵镇压黄巾军，虽获全胜。
There we go. Beautiful. So we got 10 satisfaction faction wide. It just says character. It's interesting. Desires higher core position is 11. Yeah, we didn't really test that before. I didn't look at the thing, but it's definitely going to be. Yeah, it's definitely a lot lower. I'm just brainstorming how else I could use this. Like, I almost feel like the desire for higher court position thing needs to... Well, you know what I could do is I could put this on AI factions only. But then it wouldn't be for the first few turns, it would be permanent. Yeah, this is going to take more testing. I'm playing around with like the right number to make this work, so... Look at that picture again. No, it's not the right one. Yeah, it looks legit, dude. That is just the right photo for what we're doing. Okay, well, I think that's going to be the end of this tutorial. Might make another one soon about AI and human buffs, because that's where this is kind of leading me with the whole desire for higher office thing. Yeah, if you guys want a certain tutorial on something, I'm down for suggestions, but I know what I did. Warning, you have to not name this effects because I technically overrode all the other ones. So custom I'm just gonna throw like a 2 in here because I don't know how many times I've renamed things, but yeah, so I accidentally got I overrode all the other effects that show up places with that. But yeah, if you guys really want something specific, I can try to do it, but I'm not gonna make any guarantees because I'm kind of on my own shit, just doing tons of other mods. I've got a lot of stuff written down, but if it falls in line with some idea I'm already gonna do, I'll definitely make a video. So yeah, I don't know. Hope this was helpful, and good luck.